Good morning, children. Today we will learn about computer system. Children, as you know, computer is an electronic machine. It is a very useful machine. It is used in almost all the spaces or all the spheres of life. We can play games, we can write letters, draw pictures and listen to music using computer. We can even store lot of information and solve sums using computer. Computers are used in different fields as they work very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. The various fields where computers are used are office, space research, defense, airport, animated movies, banks, designing, hospitals, etc. In office, computers are used for preparation of Word documents such as letters, reports, processing of work documents such as work orders and financial reports, presentation of reports and proposal to be on behalf of executive and higher level of office personnels, and management of email services. In space, computers are used to study astronautics. It is the science which allows us to give scientific knowledge and explore space. We can get the detailed information about the history of solar system. In defense, they perform very important role. They are used to track incoming missiles targets to destroy. They are used in tanks and planes and ships to target enemies of forces. At airports, computers are used to book tickets, plan flights, schedule aircraft and crew, oversee maintenance, and set fares. From ticket reservation to aircraft design and manufacture, computers have helped airline operations become more effective and flexible. Animation is the art of creating moving images via the use of computers. It is a field of computer graphics and animation. Increasingly, it is created by means of 3D computer graphics, though 2D computer graphics are still widely used. Children, you must have seen 3D movies and 2D movies. Few of the examples of 3D animated movies are Mowgli the Legend, Jungle Book, Alvin and the Chipmunks. At banks, they provide ATM service, online banking, speeder transactions, and accurate tracking and verification of funds. They also make banking institutions more secure through enhanced security and surveillance setups. Banks use a wide range of computers to carry out regular day-to-day operations. Computers allow banking personnel to effectively carry out transactions, process customer needs, forecast future trends, prepare internal and external reports, communicate with key participants, and generate profits. Computers are used in designing field. Most architects work extensively with computers. Using computers, they develop design ideas or draft construction documents. In hospitals, computers are used for keeping records of patients, preparing medical reports, and helping the doctors to diagnose the disease. Now children, let us learn about computer hardware. All the physical parts of computer that we can touch or feel come under computer hardware. For example, you have a CD which consists of songs. So, the CD you can hold that comes under hardware, whereas the songs in it are software. So, computer hardware includes the physical parts of computers such as the case, the central processing unit, monitor, mouse, keyboard, etc. Whereas the software is the set of instructions that can be stored and run by the hardware. A computer has four main parts which help in performing the IPO cycle. IPO is nothing but the input, process and output. As you know, a computer works on the instructions of the user. So whenever you give any instruction, it is given through input device. Once the input is given by the user, the computer with the help of its CPU, it will process the information, it will process the instruction, and the result will be displayed on the output device. Now children, let us discuss about the four important parts of computer. The first and the foremost important part of the computer is monitor. It is an output device. It looks like a TV screen and it is also called the VDU, that is visual display unit. It displays all the work that we do on a computer. The information which we see on the monitor screen is called soft copy, whereas the information which is printed on the paper is considered as hard copy. There are three different types of monitors. The first one is CRT, that is cathode ray tube. Cathode ray technology is used in traditional monitors and televisions. The next type of monitor is LCD monitor. These monitors use liquid crystal display technology. The screen of these monitors is flat type and they consume less power. And the third type of monitor is LED monitors. These monitors use light emitting diode technology. These monitors have better display. These are thinner and lighter in weight. They consume less power. Children, now let us discuss about the most important part of the computer, that is CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Children, if I say you have to prepare for your exam tomorrow, what will you do? Yes, you will all learn the answers and try to remember them. The next day, when you are writing the exam, you will recollect the answers and put them on the paper. So where are you storing all the answers? In your brain. Yes, similarly, computer also has a brain. CPU is considered as the computer's brain, as it does all the calculations and it stores all the information. A CPU is made up of three main parts, that is the memory unit, control unit and arithmetical logic unit. Memory unit helps to store all the data and instructions. Control unit works like a traffic policeman. It controls and manages all the working of the computer. Whereas the arithmetic logic unit performs all the calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Other than arithmetic calculation, it also performs logical calculations. Like it will compare the numbers, whether the number is greater than or smaller than or equal to. Now let us discuss about the next part of computer, that is keyboard. Keyboard is considered as the input device. This is the device which allows the user to give instructions to the computer. A keyboard consists of different types of keys like alphabetic keys, control keys, function keys, navigation keys, and numeric keys. Alphabetic keys are used for typing letters and numeric keys are used for typing numbers, whereas control keys are used alone or in combination with other keys. Function keys are used for performing a specific function, and the navigation keys are used for moving through the document. Now let us check with the next device, which is used to point, select and move any object on the screen. This is a pointing device. A mouse is considered as a pointing device which allows us to select any files and folders on the screen.